morning, my Diamond Art Peeps. This is Diamond Painting with Jack, and I am Jack. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you're returning, as always, thank you for your continuing support. It is Saturday morning. It is June 24th, and I thought I am going to be productive this morning and get some videos out. So I am here with a unbagging. This is from DP Clubs. I ordered this June 7th. It got shipped on the 9th and arrived June 19th. So let's just get into it. I hope everyone is having a wonderful, wonderful day. I know I am excited because it's the weekend like everybody else. I am planning on going to the gym this morning, and then I'm going to hang out with my daughter later on. So what's your Saturday or your weekend is going to be like? You put that down in the comments. I hope you're having a good day. It is supposed to be hot today. I think that they said 96. So, but right now it looks pretty cloudy. So I may be getting some rain too. Okay, so here we go. We'll just pull out the first thing. So this I got because of Becky from Becky's Diamond Bling. If you have not checked her out, please do. She is wonderful and an enabler. I just want to say that. I just want to get that right out of the box. Okay. She knows that I love gnomes. I don't know, after doing gnomes every month for this year, I'm kind of beginning to not like gnomes, but I do. I like gnomes. I saw her unbox this and I was like, I must have. Okay. Get everything out here. Okay. Regular 2 kit, boat wax pen. Look at it. That is so cute. This is a gnome in the garden. Oh wait, no, I'm sorry. A DIY table ornament. It was $6.79. And it comes with the base, which I will try. Oh, okay. Didn't struggle too terribly bad. Look at that. I can't wait to do this. So I am supposed to be on a no-buy again. And I broke it. And I explained that in my last video. But then, you guys, I almost made a mistake. When I got my last Diamond Art kit, I didn't look in the box completely. And so something told me before I throw it out to look in it. And I got my, I got a scratch and win, and so I got a $10 voucher. So you have to pay. You have to pick a canvas that is $40 or more, which you know that won't be hard at all. So and then I thought, okay, I need to look to see how long it was gonna last, because I thought, oh, maybe I'll use this for, save it and use it for Black Friday, but you have to use it by July 31st. So now Diamond Art Club is forcing me to break my no-buy. Wow. Okay. So here are the colors. It's pretty green, silver. These kind of look orange pink maybe. Oh, this is gold. Purple. And pink. And this kind of looks the orange pink too. A red. A darker blue. I guess this is a lighter blue, darker blue. Another light blue, almost like a sky blue. Green and gold. And this actually looks orange. And then silver, I guess you would say. So I love it. So it looks like there is 15 different colors and no regular drills, just all special drills or crystals and with one special drill. These. And this is 15. And that's going to go on our hat. And I also like the fact that it is a female. You hardly ever see female gnomes. And then it goes there. Okay. Oh, let me check. I'm sure the sticky is good. Good stick. This is so stinking cute. She's got her, not a lollipop, but like a creamsicle or whatever, and she's sitting on a beach ball, and it's just the plywood, and the same with the base, and you don't do anything to the base. So I love it. Love it. Okay. Here we got. So these should all should be partials. As I'm trying really hard not to buy a lot of canvases because I have so much that I am working on. Okay. I'm gonna roll this back. Christopher Kolsa, I believe that's how you say his name, does a lot of partials. And if you haven't seen Christopher's videos, please check him out as well. And so he's really inspired me to do these partials. So I think hopefully this will give me that feel that I am still doing a full canvas without doing a full canvas. Okay, so you get your regular toolkit, boat, pen, wax. So this, look at this peacock. Oh my God, it is beautiful. This has 11 colors. And has special and regular drills, which we will go over those, but look at that. It's beautiful, beautiful. And it's just, you're just diamond painting the peacock and just some of the background. Like up here in the corner, there's some sprinkled throughout the sky, and down here, kind of in the along the shorelines or the water. I can't really tell, but it is called a gorgeous peacock, 30 by 40. and it's $5.79. And there are 6 colors. With diamond numbers. I'm not sure. I am not versed on the crystal code, so I don't know if that's. It has another section that says diamond numbers, so I'm thinking that's what that is. I must have wrote down my wrong, because I just told you 11, but on the canvas it just says 6. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, because there's 2 big bags of the white crystals. And that's kind of like a wine color, red wine, a dark blue, another kind of a sky blue, and then here are your specials, which I know this will go in the peacock's feathers. And there's 2 bags of those. Okay, so there is 6. And then 1 white special drill. Oh, it's so pretty. I love this. Thank you, Christopher, for... I've been watching a lot of his videos, and I mean, he does regular canvases as well, but he does a lot of, like I said, partials, and I just love them. But that is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Look at this. This is going to be very intense, because one is these silver crystals, and so that is all in the body. All in the body. And up here, I think this is kind of like a plant, or maybe the top of a tree or something. And I love the picture. So pretty. So, so, so pretty. 30 by 40. 6 colors and shapes. Crystals and shapes. All right. Let me put this over here so I don't get them mixed up. And this is my last one. Okay. And I think I just said that I'm not tired of doing gnomes, but then I have another gnome one. And this is a partial as well. But when I saw it, because I originally went on just to get the tabletop gnome. And I was like, well, you can't just buy one thing. Well, you can, but I couldn't buy just one thing. And then I saw this, and I was like, OMG. Look at that. Look at gnomes. So this has 12 colors, and it is a 30 by 40 as well, and it is, again, also a partial. This is so stinking cute. Okay, so apparently I'm not over gnomes. One would think, and I'm not. Now this paper is not the best, and it's not really centered very well, but it works. So, and this is called Gnomes in the Garden, 30 by 40, $5.79. Look at that. So these 3 gnomes, look at the flowers. And you have like a little beetle. Oh, it's beautiful. It's a butterfly up right up there. Another butterfly. So you are just diamond painting the gnomes, the little watering can that he is holding. I almost said he was sitting and was looking at it, but then like his arm is kind of looped through it, I think. And he's holding this flowers, or the flowers, but nothing else. This is adorable. Okay. So let's look at the drills. Okay. I have never gotten these. Look. That's number 12. And I thought it was going to go... Oh, 12 is B. So it's going to go... 12 is B. So it's going to go in their hats, in the flowers. Yeah. So the hat and the flowers. That's neat. I've never gotten those before. And the Smarties, these are like kind of silver gold. Gold. Blue. More crystals and white. So this is a regular drill. And here's like a deeper green, yellow, orange, purple, and a blue, green, and red. I hope I wasn't too close. Alright guys, well that is my stash. So DP clubs, that gorgeous peacock, $5.79. Sorry for the glare. Our gnomes in the garden, $5.79. And then my lovely gnome on a beach ball, $6.79. Okay. All right. Well, that's all I've got, guys. This is a real quick, short video, but I hope again that you guys are having a great day, great Saturday, and that you get to do something fun other than work or clean. I got up this morning, was trying to be a little productive and did dishes, and so now I'm gonna go and do something for me. All right, guys. So remember to be kind to one another, keep cool and keep diamond painting, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.